Hi everyone, I'm Katrina from Ausdance Victoria. Welcome to your Ausdance skill set for teaching dance. I'm going to take you through a few things at the moment, particularly about how to get enrolled. We will send you a link to the website Integrating Technologies, which is our host for our Moodle platform, which you will do the online work in. Okay, so I'm going to now shift to a shared view, and what I'm going to do is show you this screen. So I'll just move it here. This is the Integrating Technology website. You will find, and it's a good thing to do, is to watch this video. I'm going to actually refresh that because that's
Hi,
not...
this is Nellie Village and I'm on Integrating.
Okay. So you will watch this video. This is the side of the screen you want to look at. Do not look at any of this side of the screen. I don't know why it's there, but there must be a reason that Integrated Technologies cannot get rid of that side of the screen. Probably a Moodle problem. Alright, so please listen to watch the video, which is our host Nellie Muller, who is an expert in online training, who has founded this website. And so if you do have any trouble enrolling, feel free to contact Nellie to get a bit more information about why you can't enroll into the course. So follow her instructions. I will look for your name and manually enroll you in our Moodle course. So first thing you need to do is log in using one of these functions. You must use one of those functions. Alright, I'll see you on the other side. Take care and welcome.